Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how you can remove your Google account from your phone. In this action can be done with 2 steps, and I will show you guys the 2 steps, and I think it will be easy for you to do that. Then you have to select on your Google products, your Google account, your Gmail. After selecting your Gmail, you see the top right, in the top right of your screen, you see your profile icon. You select that and click on manage accounts on this device. Manage accounts on this device. Then you select your Google. After selecting your Google, you select the Gmail you want to remove. Then after that, you click on the 3 dots at the bottom part of your phone or of the screen, and then you see remove account. And if you want to remove the account, then you have to click on the remove account, and it will be removed, but it has not been deleted permanently, but it will be removed from your phone. And that's it. You have removed the account. The second thing, you have to go to your settings. Then you see account and sync. Then you have to select the Google, the first one. After selecting the first one, you select the email, the account, the Google account you want to remove. You select that. After selecting that, you have to remove by pressing the 3 dots at the end, the more option there, the more option, and click remove. Then if you want to remove the account, click on remove account. It will be removed from your phone, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you want to if you want to delete your Google account from your phone permanently, you can also do that by watching the video behind.